Assalamualaikum and hello, my name is HIRANIE Binti Hitus. Today I would like to give an infographic presentation based on Chapter 7, Storing Organization Information.
Chapter 7, Storing Organization Information.
So, let's get started. Information are all over organization. Databases are used to store information. Database keep a record of various types of object or inventory, event or transaction, person or employee, and location or warehouse. Database model types. There are three types of database model. Firstly, hierarchical database model. The information from this model is arranged into tree-like structure using parent or children relationship so that they earn too many connections. Secondly, network database. A network database allows record to be linked to the same owner file. The model resembles upside-down tree with branches representing member information tied to the owner at the bottom. And lastly, relational database model. The information is stored in two-dimensional tables that are logically related. Let's move on to fundamental concept included in relational database model. There is 4 items in it. Number 4, entity. Entity can be a person, place, thing, transactional, or event about which information is stored. Number 2, attributes or field or column. Attributes is characteristic or properties of an entity class. For example, the column in each table contains the attributes. Number 3, primary key. A field or set of fields in a table that uniquely identify a specific entity. And lastly, number 4, foreign key. A primary key from one table that appears as an attribute in another table and serves to provide a logical link between the two tables. Next, advantages of relational database. Enhanced flexibility. A proper designed database should be able to handle change fast and simply, as well as give user a many logical view and only one physical view. Enhanced scalability and performance. A database must be able to scale to meet increased demand while retain acceptable performance. Minimize information redundancy. One of the most serious issues with redundant data is inconsistency. Enhance information integrity. Information integrity is measure information quality, while integrity constraints are rules that help maintain information quality. Enhance information security. Information is valuable organization asset that must be safeguarded. A database include the following security features, like password are used to authenticate user and access level are used to determine who access to certain sort of information. Types of user access such as read-only access are determined by access control. Database management system. User and application communicate with a database using this software. There are 2 types interaction. Direct interaction. User interact directly with database management system, and database management system obtain the information from the database. Indirect interaction. User interact with an application and the application interact with database management system, and database management system obtain the information from database. Data-driven website. Interactive website keep constantly updated and relevant to the needs of its customer through the use of database, enable user to select and examine what they're interested in by entering a query, which the website analysts and custom produce a web page that certifies the query in real time. Data-driven website advantages. Development. With little or no training, a well-structured data-driven website can be updated. Also, without having to rely on developer, the website owner can make modification at any time. Content management. A programmer is required to update a static website. This creates unneeded layer between company and its website content, which can lead to misunderstanding and delay in making adjustment. Future expandability. A data-driven website can grow more quickly than static one. Minimizing human error. A well-designed data-driven website will have Error tapping measure to ensure that required information is successfully filled out and that content enter and shown in proper format. Cutting production and update costs. Any competent data entry or administrative worker can update and publish a data-driven website. Change and upgrade will take fraction of time than they will with static site. In addition to being more convenient and economical, more efficient with data-driven website, the system keep track of templates so users do not have to. Improve stability. To keep track of all source file, any programmer who has updated a website with static template must be extremely organized. There's peace of mind with data-driven website since the material is never lost, even if your programmer is. Integrating information among multiple databases is allows separate systems to communicate directly with each other. There is two-type integration, forward and backward integration, and the center repository. Forward integration takes data into one system and set it all downstream system and process automatically. Backward integration takes data, enter into one system, and automatically send it all upstream system and process. The figure displays an example of customer information integrated using this method, a center repository. Main customer repository allows users to add, read, edit, and remove information and automatically deliver to all other databases. When establishing integration, this method does not follow the business process. Business critical integrity restriction must still be implemented to ensure that the data only ever placed into customer repository, otherwise data will go out of sync.